Hi friends, we are so happy that you are today with us, and right now I will show you how to pin the selected chat and conversation on the Snapchat. So let's go to watching. So let's open our app and let's go to the chat's history screen. Right now we have all our chats, and as you can check, we have this specific pin option which can help you to create some priority and to save the selected chats to not to lose them on the whole list. So to use this option we just need to hold on the selected chat, but before I will show you the main option, I can pay your attention to the first feature, pin as your first number best friend. This is a new additional option. After picking on it, we need to go to the learn more section, and as you can check, we need to pay for this option. Okay, it's very interesting, very useful I think, but there is another usual feature. After going to the chat settings, one can use this pin conversation option. So right now our chats are pinned and no one can change their sequence. And as you can check, we can use this option with our friends chat and also with some celebrities and stars, with people with whom we don't have any chat history, but only to pin their usernames on the list. So guys, if you want to know how to unpin someone, you can also check another video on our YouTube channel, and don't forget about likes. I hope that this tutorial was useful, and of course don't forget to subscribe. So good luck, bye bye.